Today I went to the lowest rated hostel in Milan. The search began and it was difficult to find a really bad place to stay in Milan. TripAdvisor and Booking offer an algorithmic search, which means when you sort them by rating and then go to the last page, you will still see 10 out of 10 somehow. This hostel has 4.0 on Booking, 1.5 out of 5 on TripAdvisor, and 2.1 on Google. When I called to reserve a place to sleep, they didn't even ask me for my name and just hung up. Just to provide you with some context, we arrived at the hostel at 10:30 p.m. with no intention of actually staying the night there. With a giant tripod and phone. Embarrassed, we started improvising. Welcome to all! We have finally made our way to the Hostel, California. And we're gonna go there and check it out. What's the worst hotel in the best city of Italy looks like. California. This looks already fucking creepy.
How are we gonna get in?
What the fuck is this? What the fuck? This is hell's fucking doorway. Fuck. Swanada.
Bitch.
This means that we have to.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
It opened.
It opened. I didn't even push the button.
This looks good.
This is actually pretty.
Prima di aprire attendere segnale acustico e aprire mentre suona. Che cazzo?
Open it up. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, this doesn't look half bad.
This looks good.
This looks really good. What you mean? What you mean?
Oh. Non c'è la finestra.
What the fuck? Oh dang. Yeah, this works too. A little bit of cardboard instead of glass. Ciao. Sì, io ho chiamato ieri però non mi avete preso il nome né niente.
Ok. Per quanto, cioè,
Per una notte. Per una
quante
notte oggi.
persone?
O una persona.
Una persona.
Una persona, lei dopo se ne va.
Ok.
Sì, mi suona brutta.
posso chiedere بيقول لك واحد اتكلم عليك اتصل عليك امبارح بس رساي وقال لك عاوز بوسترات ادخله يعني ماشي انا بقول لك يعني بس ماشي أنا ما باجيش من كتير فمش عارف اشتغل فاهم لازم اتعود تاني ماشي مثلا
Grazie.
Ho notato che c'hai tipo un telefono gigante con la telecamera.
Sì, stavo filmando prima.
Boom. And we're free.